Hi, in this video, I'm going to be telling you how I generated 8% return in HDFC Life. Well, the insurance stocks suddenly saw a move, and on 29th of May, I got this opportunity in HDFC Life, which I tracked over the last 2 3 days. And a new trader helped me generate a multi-day trade, and I had this wonderful opportunity. So let's go right inside this video and find out how I was able to do this particular trade. So now I'll be showing you step by step how NeoTrader was able to tell me across various pages that yes, SJC Life was a very good potential possibility for me to take it as a multi-day trade. So you can see here that this is where I took the entry, right? I took the entry at around 574, and then I held it over a couple of days because there were certain factors in this neo trader which told me that this particular trade could extend, and I exited around 586. So I made a handsome return of around 8% on the lots I traded. So now what does it say? It says that everything is possible and anything is possible, and you can also do it too. So what you have to do is follow the sequences which I am sharing with you, and what I am going to show you is how I went about detecting HDFC Life. The first thing is I checked out my Camarilla heat map. I went on a monthly because I wanted to do a multi-day. And on the monthly, I checked out that HDFC Life had all the three dots in green. So what NeoTrader does is it tracks a particular stock across time frame across each of these tools. So under Camarilla, in all the three time frames, right, the daily, weekly, and the monthly, it was positive. So this gave a very good encouraging sign that yes, there is a positivity seen in this stock. Now, then I went down to weekly. So I did a top-down approach, right, to find out because the insurance sector was picking up, and ICICI Pru was showing some movement, ICICI GI was showing some movement. So I thought, why don't I take a look here? So now I chose SDFC Life, and then you can see here, even on 60 minutes, it is showing a bullishness. Even on weekly, it is showing a bullishness. So it was reflecting, and in Camarilla, it was above H4. So in Camarilla, there are important levels, important thresholds which one needs to track. And what I found is it was above H4 as well. So what we found out is that Camarilla setup was giving a signal. Then based on the ADX on the lower time frames, you can see monthly, weekly, intraday, everything was indicating that there is a positive momentum. And ADX, which represent the strength of a trend, was also indicating that it was having a decent score. So overall, there was a bullishness which prompted me to consider HDFC Life as a bullish candidate and take it as a multi-day trade because higher time frames were also indicating the same. Now, what I did was I went down into my Ichimoku, right? This is my Ichimoku dashboard. And in Ichimoku, what I saw was the scores were quite encouraging across 30 minutes, across 60 minutes, across daily. So what was happening was that not only across various sets of tools, but also across the different time frame, I was getting the confidence that HDFC Life can perform. So that was what gave me a very good idea that HDFC Life is a good candidate for the long side. Now, when I did that and when I started looking at the system and started trading into the score, so you can see here that the entire movement started happening. So yes, if you don't want to trade intraday, if you don't want to trade multi-day, if you want to trade intraday, you can see here, the moment you enter, you got a CPR movement, you got a Bollinger Band movement, you got RSI. So you can see here various sets of parameters, and this is from our rolling ticker. In rolling ticker, you are able to track the momentum right through the day. So the trade was initiated on the 26th. It was carried on till the 29th, and the multi-day possibility is what I'm sharing with you here. That is very much possible with NeoTrader. And these kind of signals, when it comes, right, you could have exited anywhere along the way, right? So you would have got maybe 3,000 here, and as you traveled higher, you could have exited and ensured that you are able to take advantage. And you can see that Camarilla scores were keeping on coming. This is on the other days, on the 29th, on the day when we were exiting. Went to 579, right? 5,000, 8,000, 10,000. So this is how the entire movement emerged. You could have exited anywhere along the way, but then the message was that you were able to generate return. And that's what is possible because profit making opportunities are there right through the day. The entry is important, the kind of setup is important, and all that is made available to you with NeoTrader. So when NeoTrader is available at your doorstep, you can take opportunities like this, like the one which I took, right? Within a span of 3 days, right? When I exited on the 29th, I was able to generate a return of 8%. So if you all want to generate such returns and if you want to know how we do it on a consistent basis, all you have to do is check out this link below where you can also know about us, about our software, and ensure that you are on the right side of trading. If you want to know more, all you have to do is check us out. If you're seeing this video for the first time, do ensure that you subscribe to our channel and get notified about such interesting ways to participate in the market. Till I see you again, thank you so much for watching and have a good day.